2023 Volvo XC60 changes, recharge and price. The compact luxury SUV went through a mid-range update for the 2022 season. That means no big changes will be there for the 2023 Volvo XC60. Well, the Swedish car maker might left something big, but it is still unofficial. The XC60 might become another electric vehicle. It is not a surprise. The entire lineup will have the EV model, and after the subcompact XC40, the XC60 is the favorite to become all-electric crossover. We already got used to the T5 and T6 configurations. The T8 is also a part of the lineup now, but as the 2023 Volvo XC60 Recharge. It is not an EV, though. Nevertheless, the crossover stays one of the best models in the class. The price will definitely make it out of the reach for some buyers. However, owners of Volvo vehicles know what they are getting in return. 2023 Volvo XC60 specs T5 and T6. Reliable and durable engines made the 2023 Volvo XC60 so popular, even the MSRP is pretty high. T5 is the base choice and it combines a 2.0-liter engine with turbochargers to burst 250 HP and 258 lb-ft of torque. With such outputs, the XC60 is competitive with German luxury crossovers, BMW X3, Audi Q5, and Mercedes-Benz GLC. Front-wheel drive is standard and all-wheel drive optional. An 8-speed automatic gearbox sends power to axles. The transmission is the same for the T6 configuration. In this case, the superchargers make a 2.0-liter four-banger deliver even more power. The 2023 Volvo XC60 T6 can produce 315 HP and 295 lb-ft, and all-wheel drive is the only choice. The gas mileage is not suffering too much. The T6 will return 2027, while the T5 makes 21/28 mpg with AWD. 2023 Volvo XC60 Recharge T8. The most potent version of the compact crossover is the T8, and now known as the 2023 Volvo XC60 Recharge. Again, a 2.0 is there and the plug-in hybrid system enhances outputs to 400 horsepower and 472 lb-ft of twist. Optionally, buyers can add the Polestar package and gain 15 ponies and 22 pound-feet of torque. Combined, the gas mileage is 27 mpg. Like for the T6, all-wheel drive is standard. All-electric crossover. The next move is a total electrification. The XC60 is the perfect option for Volvo, since the XC40 Recharge is already the EV, while the XC90 is too big. But, the Swedish company could set the priority on the XC100. Most fans thought this is going to be a full-size model, but the latest details suggest the new nameplate is going to be the electric model. The XC EV is definitely something with the potential to compete with Tesla. Packages: Momentum, redesign, inscription. 3 base models are available for the 2023 Volvo XC60. Like most other vehicles from this car maker, the Momentum is the entry-level version. The compact crossover comes with 18-inch wheels and a panoramic sunroof. Inside, among plenty of advanced technology, we can underpin Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The center of the infotainment system is a 9-inch screen and the Momentum package comes with dual-zone climate control. The mid-range offer is the 2023 Volvo XC60 redesign. Lower suspension is going to enhance the driving impression. Nappa leather is upgrading the luxury status of the crossover. Outside, a set of 19-inch wheels is replacing the rims of the Momentum package. Harman Kardon audio system is a premium offer for most vehicles. The redesign package also adds a quad-zone automatic climate. The inscription is the top trim with perforated Nappa leather, ventilated seats, and chromed exterior details. Besides that one, Volvo is going to bring it on with the Polestar engineered bundle. We already mentioned power outputs, and this package also adds sports chassis and Akabano brakes. 2023 Volvo XC60 release date and prices. The new 2023 Volvo XC60 is going to become available in the second half of 2022. Since there are no big changes, the price will stay at the same level. The entry-level model is starting at $42,000, the redesign adds $7,000, and the inscription T6 brings the price over $55,000. High-end Polestar package is going to cost $70,000. At this price, you can find a mid-size luxury SUV or even some big rig without premium equipment.